Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and Crypto.com has just added a new feature called Instant Deposit, which makes it really easy to add funds to your Crypto.com account so that you can trade cryptocurrencies. I'm going to show you how to get it set up and how to use it. So let's get started. So I got an email from Crypto.com telling me that instant deposit was available for my bank account. I'll also link to their blog post in the help section on this new feature. Pretty easy. Gives you all the details here. I'm just going to walk you through the demo on my phone so that you can see how it works. Basically, it allows you to instantly deposit money into your Crypto.com account directly from your bank through ACH transfers, and then allows you to trade immediately with those funds before they actually clear. Generally, it's going to take 5 to 6 business days for the funds to clear, but they'll allow you to go ahead and trade as long as you don't try to withdraw the funds from your account. So I'm going to show you how this works. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and launch my Crypto.com app. Now, if we go to the home section, you can see the interface. It gives us the latest figures for the prices of our favorite cryptocurrencies. If I wanted to instantly deposit some money into my account so that I would have quick access to it, I would basically go over to the accounts interface down there on the bottom next to home. Just go over to accounts, and then I want to go into the fiat account, which is at the very bottom there. Now, the fiat account is where you deposit money directly from your bank account. And once the money is in the fiat account, you have access to it for trades. So I'm just going to tap directly on where it says US dollar and has my balance, which as you can see is very small right now. And then they have a little feature there that talks about instant deposit, which gives you more details. In order to initiate an instant deposit, we'll go to transfer and we'll choose deposit. And then they have several options here, and you can see at the top they have link bank account for instant transfers. We can tap on that, and it gives us all of the information and the minimums and the maximums. And then notice there that I already have a bank account linked. I could right away just make a deposit in my Crypto.com account, but I'm going to walk you through how you set up a new bank account. So you'll just tap that Add Bank Account, right? And you're going to go through Played to connect to your bank account. So we'll hit Continue here. And then just choose the name of your bank. If you don't see it, you can search for it. I see my bank down here. I'll just tap that. And then I'm going to need the username and password to my bank. Now, I'm not giving my username and password to Crypto.com. I'm just using it to make my connection to my bank. So I do need the credentials of my bank for this. All right, so I'll just hit Submit here. All right, they're going to ask me to verify the account by sending me a text or an email. I'll choose text. They're going to send me a code to my phone. All right, the text came in and gave me this code. I'll enter that code and go to the next step. All right, it's going to give me a verification telling me the account and the balance so that I'll know it's the correct bank account balance and the correct account. I'll hit Continue there, and then I've got success. All right, my bank account was verified, and now you see that I have 2 different bank accounts that I can choose from to make my instant deposits. I'll go ahead and choose that new bank. All right, and then I'll hit Deposit US Dollar. All right, and then I'm going to verify that. Notice that I can make my trades automatically, but I won't be able to withdraw until it is fully processed. And you'll want to make sure that you've got enough money in your bank account for this to go through, obviously. We'll hit Confirm, and there we go. Money has gone into my Crypto.com account. All right, and you can see now that the $100 has been credited to my fiat wallet. It only took a couple of minutes, so I have access to these funds right now to make a trade. So I can just go back to the home interface, hit Trade, and then choose Buy. And then I can choose something like Bitcoin. And then instead of credit card, debit card, or crypto wallet, I'm going to tap Fiat wallet over there. And notice that I've got $100 available to make a purchase. If I tap in the field to edit the amount that I'd like to buy, I can fine tune it, or I can just go down to the bottom there underneath the button that says max, and that'll give me the max amount of BTC that I can buy with the available money in my fiat wallet. So I'll go ahead and click buy, and then confirm. And there I've made my purchase of Bitcoin. All right, and if we go back over to the accounts and check our balances, I can do a quick refresh. And you can see there that I've got $100 worth of Bitcoin in my account now. So that Bitcoin, although I can't withdraw the Bitcoin, I have made the purchase, and I basically have the Bitcoin. If the price of Bitcoin goes up or down, either way, it'll still be in my account, right? And I can hold it until the funds clear and then make my withdrawal. If you have money in your bank and you want to make a purchase of any cryptocurrency that Crypto.com supports, and they support quite a bit, you can simply make an instant deposit using your bank account through ACH and have immediate access to those funds for trading. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.